In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your wallet address in Binance, the mobile app on iPhone or Android. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Binance app. Then you need to go down to this red button down in the middle here and click on deposit, like so. Then from here you have the opportunity to even fiat or crypto. And for the easiest thing to do is just click in crypto and click in Bitcoin, like so. And as you can see here, now you need to choose a network, and you can just click Bitcoin as well. And as you can see here, now you have the QR code up here that you can send it directly to, or you have the Bitcoin deposit address down here, and you can click on copy to clipboard, and down here you can save it as an image or share the address. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!